cooking an easy one-pan meal with vegan sausages and Brussels sprouts. These are the vegan sausages of choice. Medium high. We can leave it at 375. Push start. Already pre-chopped the sausages. Add a bell pepper. This is a non-stick pan. No oil is needed. And like I said, this is the first time that I'm actually using the Nuwave. Alright. And these are the Brussels sprouts I will be adding. They're already seasoned, but I will be adding a little bit of garlic and herb, Mrs. Dash, and I will be adding a little bit of freeze dried garlic. And like I said, this is an easy meal, one pan meal. Put everything in a pan, and everything should be done in about 10 minutes. It smells good already. I'm just using a little. The sausages are already seasoned. Italian seasoning. And just a little bit of garlic. This is Portable Cooktop from Kohl's. The cooktop was originally $89. It was on sale for $69. And I received $10 cold cash back for your next visit. So basically this cooktop was $59. And actually this pan came with it. The non-stick pan. So, these sausages are kind of brown now. They're browning. You can see that. They're browning. So, I'm going to go ahead and add the Brussels sprouts to it. Okay. The Brussels sprouts have bell peppers in there, and it looks like they have oil. Like I said, I'll be just testing out the pot, the cooktop, and the pan. Starting to look good already. I'm going to cut down the pan a little bit. Put it on medium. So medium went down to 275. y'all, but to me, this is looking good. Can't wait. So far, so good. Liking this pan. So, great deal, I'll say, for $59. You know, after receiving the $10 cold cash. It came with this pan. So this is a portable cooktop. Portable cooktops are good for traveling. They're good for when you leave your teenage children at home and you're kind of iffy about them working the gas stove. So that's one reason why I got this. I have a 17-year-old and a 20-year-old, and even though the 20-year-old, she know how to cook a little bit, I still feel comfortable. I would feel comfortable with her cooking on this versus the actual stove. But this is good for traveling, for when you're going out of town. And it can get expensive if you have a family and you actually going out to eat every day or 3 times a day, and depending on how long you're staying out of town. I'm just still stirring just so nothing gets burnt. But overall, I do like this pan. I do, and it's a non-stick. Who doesn't like an easy meal? You could chop everything up, just put it in the pan. I tasted a little bit of sausage, so I'm just add a little bit more of the Mrs. Dash. And I'm going to add a little bit more of the dry garlic. I don't know about y'all, but I love garlic. Love it, love it, love it. For a little more flavor, I'm gonna add a little bit of this liquid aminos into it. Just a cap. By the way, the Mrs. Dash that I use is salt-free. It's salt-free. All right. Stay done.